Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add full face background image in Microsoft Word. So let's started. At first, open your Word document file. In this video, I will show that add full face background image. Now going to the insert menu option. Now click on the shape option. Now click on the rectangle shape option. This base is the move. The small. Now draw a shape. Now going to the shape fill option. Now for click, then click on the picture option. Then click on the for my file. Then source a picture is the file. Now select from the file, then click on the insert option. That's it. Then apply from the text is the face. That's it. Then I show the add face background image in Microsoft Word is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.